Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. Today we can have a test, okay? I will give you the previous year question paper, that is IBPS PO 2019 Prelims English Language questions I am giving you. Like that of the previous test series, set a timer for about 10 to 15 minutes and try to complete the questions within that time limit, and I will give you the solutions at the end of the video. So we can have the test.
In the first question, we never use of with although. So the correct phrase is despite the phrase, and also we never use of with despite also. Okay. Never use of with although and despite. So the correct phrase here is despite the praise. Option C. Despite the praise, Mr. Trump never formally nominated Mr. McClellan to run the agency. Option C is the answer. In the second question, it is past. Yesterday means it is past, right? So yesterday ahead of Diwali, the union government announced. So the option C is the answer. Government announced the non-productivity linked bonus equivalent to 30 days of emoluments for the accounting year 2018-19. So option C is the answer. In the third question, the correct phrase is in close collaboration. The two playwrights worked in close collaboration with each other on the script. Option D is the right choice. In the fourth question, the sentence starting with if, that means it is a conditional sentence, right? So in a conditional sentence, both the clauses cannot be in future tense, but here both the clauses are in future tense. Here will, here also will. So in a conditional sentence, both the clauses cannot be in future tense. So in this case, if clause must replace with simple present tense, that is will should be replaced with simple present, that is agrees. So which option? Agrees to. Second option is the answer. That is, if UK agrees to the provisions on e-commerce, it will mean it won't be allowed to impose data privatization rules on industries looking to do business in UK. In the fifth sentence, this sentence is an indirect speech. So always change the tense of the given verb. So fall should be replaced with fell. So option A. That is, US Customs and Border Protection said this week that arrests at the US-Mexico border fell in September for the fourth month in a row. In the sixth question, there is no error. The sentence is correct. The farmer finds it difficult to find buyers to sell their fresh organic produce. So, no error. In the seventh question, the error is in the first part, because whenever it is used as an introductory subject, it always takes singular verb. So, where must be replaced with was. So, option part A is the error. So, it should be like this. It was not Mr. Kejriwal's fault that the BJP mayors are incompetent and corrupt, that they were not invited, said Sanjay Singh. So, where must be replaced with was. In the eighth question, the subject of the sentence is judges, which is plural. So, the verb should also be plural. So, has to be replaced with have. So, the sentence will be like this. The Supreme Court says Canadian judges have been too soft on punishment for 30 years in giving offenders the lowest possible sentence. Option B is the right choice. In the ninth question, the sentence is correct, no error. The government is expected to issue a statement regarding the investigation to the press. There is no error in that sentence. In the 10th question, the sentence is talking about the result produced by the company Maruti Suzuki. So, whenever talking about the completion or whenever talking about the result, present perfect tense is used. Here has been producing, present perfect continuous is used. So, instead of that, present perfect tense should be used. So, option B is the error part, and has been producing should be replaced with has produced. So, the company Maruti Suzuki has produced 10 million units since it was established in 1982. Going to the 11th question. Whenever a sentence starts with a negative adverb like under no circumstances, hardly, scarcely, barely, rarely, like that, inversion is used. That means you would be allowed should be replaced with would you be allowed. So, under no circumstances would you be allowed to remain out of home after 10 o'clock, said Radhika to her son. So, part B is having the error. In the 12th question, both A and C are correct. The minister was haunted by the authorities for not paying the taxes. The minister was pursued by the authorities for not paying the taxes. Both the words are correct. Haunted means harass. Pursued means follow or chase. Moved means make progress. So here both haunted and pursued are correct. In the next question, the correct word is involves. Police said the case involves huge amounts of public money which have been diverted fraudulently and that interrogation is needed to track the funds. So involves, option B is the right choice. 14th question, the sentence is correct. No interchange required. The academician did a commendable job in highlighting the dangers of the so-called lethal weapon systems. Lethal weapon means deadly weapon. In the 15th question, the correct sentence is skills are a vital asset in today's globalized economy where unskilled jobs are under threat of automation. So A, B and C, D should interchange. So that the correct option is A, B and C, D. In the 16th question, the correct sentence is government employees facing criminal or corruption cases are under a scanner of the Modi administration. So the correct option is AC. Here A and D should interchange with each other. Similarly, B and D should interchange with each other. So the options A, D and B. That is, if the flights are cancelled, the authorities are obliged to provide compensation or an alternative. Here D and E should interchange with each other. That is, the Revenue Department has asked customs officials to ensure strict implementation of prohibition on import of e-cigarettes. So DE is the right choice. Here, for decades, there has been evidence that classroom techniques designed to get students to dash in the learning process. Among these 5 words, the correct word apting in that blank is participate. So third option is the answer. So for decades there has been evidence that classroom techniques designed to get students to participate in the learning process produces better educational outcomes at virtually all levels. And a new Harvard study suggests it may be important to let students know it. The study shows that those students felt as if they learned more through dash lectures. Correct word among these words is traditional, and the meaning of myriad is countless or extremely great number of people or things. Here the correct choice is traditional. That is option B. So the study shows that those students felt as if they learned more through traditional lectures. They actually learned more when taking part in classrooms that employed so-called active learning strategies. Lead author Louis Deslauriers, the director of science teaching and learning and senior physics preceptor, knew that students would learn more from active learning. But many students and faculty remained hesitant to switch to it. Often students seemed genuinely to prefer smooth as silk traditional lectures. Deslauriers said, "We wanted to take them at their word. Perhaps they actually felt like they learned more from lectures than they did from dash learning." From dash learning, active learning. Option A is the choice. Now, the question of whether students' perceptions of their learning dash with how well they are actually learning is particularly important, Deslauriers said. The correct option is matches. That is option A. So once again, the question of whether students' perceptions of their learning matches with how well they are actually learning is particularly important, Deslauriers said, because while students eventually see the value of active learning, initially it can feel dash. Initially it can feel frustrating. So fourth option is the choice. So initially it can feel frustrating. Deep learning is hard work. The effort involved in active learning can be misinterpreted as a sign of poor learning, he said. On the other hand, a superstar lecturer can explain things in such a way as to make students feel like they are learning more than they actually are. To understand that dichotomy means a division or contrast between two things. So to understand that dichotomy, Deslauriers and his co-authors designed an experiment that would expose students in an introductory physics class to both traditional lectures and active learning. When the results were tallied, the authors found that students felt as if they learned more from the lectures, but in fact scored higher on tests following the active learning sessions. Ultimately, Deslauriers said, the study shows that it's important to ensure that neither instructors nor students are dashed into thinking that lectures are the best learning option. So here the correct option according to that sentence is fooled. That is option C. So ultimately, Deslauriers said the study shows that it's important to ensure that neither instructors nor students are fooled into thinking that lectures are the best learning option. Students might give fabulous evaluations to an amazing lecturer based on this feeling of learning, even though their actual learning isn't optimal. He said, this could help to explain why study after study shows that student evaluations seem to be completely uncorrelated with actual learning. Check these solutions with your answers and analyze it so that you can improve more in the next test.
So how was the test? Do comment below, give suggestions. If you like my channel, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.